Are you ready to unlock the secrets of tomorrow's finance? Today, we're diving into the game-changing trends that are set to redefine the financial landscape. These are the trends you simply cannot afford to ignore. So, buckle up and get ready for a wild ride as we explore the future of finance and the trends that will shape its destiny. As technology continues to evolve at a breakneck pace, the finance industry is at the forefront of this revolution. And it's no surprise that the rise of artificial intelligence is one of the most significant trends shaping the future of finance. But that's just the beginning. We will also see other trends such as decentralized finance, sustainable finance, and financial literacy becoming increasingly important in the years to come. In fact, these four trends are so intertwined that they're reshaping the very fabric of the financial world. First, let's talk about decentralized finance, or DeFi. It's an innovative way of providing financial services without the need for a central authority like a bank or a government. With DeFi, users can access financial services such as lending, borrowing, and investing directly from their computers or smartphones. This technology has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems and bring about a new era of financial inclusion. Then, there's the rise of artificial intelligence in making financial decisions. AI is being used to analyze vast amounts of data and make informed investment decisions, detect fraud, and manage risk. This trend is poised to change the way finance operates and could have a major impact on the industry's future. But that's not all. The importance of sustainable investing and ESG factors in finance is also growing. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. And these factors are becoming increasingly important for investors who want to make a positive impact on the world while also generating strong returns. As more and more investors demand transparency and accountability from companies, businesses must prioritize sustainability and social responsibility to attract investment. Finally, there's the increasing focus on financial literacy and education among consumers. As people become more educated about personal finance, they're also becoming more proactive about managing their money. This trend is leading to a surge in demand for financial services and products that empower consumers to take control of their financial futures. These four trends are not just isolated movements. They're interconnected and interdependent, creating a perfect storm that's set to transform the financial industry. As the lines between traditional finance and emerging technologies continue to blur, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and embrace the changes that are shaping the future of finance. Now let's dive deeper into each of these trends and explore how they're set to impact the financial industry. First, let's talk about decentralized finance, or DeFi. This innovative approach to finance is challenging the status quo by removing the need for intermediaries and putting control back in the hands of the people. With DeFi, users can access financial services such as lending, borrowing, and investing directly from their computers or smartphones. This technology has the potential to disrupt traditional financial systems and bring about a new era of financial inclusion. But that's not all. The rise of artificial intelligence in making financial decisions is also changing the game. AI is being used to analyze vast amounts of data and make informed investment decisions, detect fraud, and manage risk. This trend is poised to change the way finance operates and could have a major impact on the industry's future. Let's consider the investment landscape. AI-powered investment platforms are using algorithms to analyze market trends, identify investment opportunities, and optimize portfolios. These platforms can process vast amounts of data in real time, allowing investors to make informed decisions quickly and efficiently. But that's not all. AI is also being used to detect fraud and manage risk in financial transactions. AI algorithms can analyze patterns and identify anomalies that may indicate fraudulent activity, allowing financial institutions to protect themselves and their customers from financial losses. In addition to these benefits, AI is also transforming the way financial institutions operate. By automating routine tasks, AI allows employees to focus on more strategic initiatives. This shift is leading to greater efficiency, cost savings, and improved customer service in the financial industry. But that's not where the benefits end. The rise of AI is also leading to the development of personalized financial products and services. AI algorithms can analyze customer data to develop customized financial plans that meet their specific needs and goals. This trend is leading to greater customer satisfaction and loyalty in the financial industry. However, the increasing focus on financial literacy and education among consumers is also playing a crucial role in shaping the future of finance. As consumers become more educated about personal finance, they're also becoming more proactive about managing their money. This trend is leading to a surge in demand for financial services and products that empower consumers to take control of their financial futures. For example, there's been a rise in the popularity of online courses and educational resources that teach people about personal finance, investing, and retirement planning. This increased access to financial education is helping people make better financial decisions and plan for their financial futures. In response to this trend, financial institutions are investing in technology that makes financial education and planning more accessible to consumers. This includes developing user-friendly apps and online tools that make it easier for people to track their finances, create budgets, and plan for retirement. But that's not all. The rise of financial literacy is also leading to greater transparency and accountability in the financial industry. Consumers are demanding more transparency from financial institutions and are pushing for greater accountability from financial professionals. This is leading to a shift in the financial industry towards more ethical and transparent practices. So, overall, the increasing focus on financial literacy and education among consumers is a positive development for the future of finance. It's empowering people to take control of their financial futures, leading to greater transparency and accountability in the financial industry. It's clear that the finance industry is on the cusp of a major transformation. The convergence of decentralized finance, AI technology, sustainable investing, and financial literacy is creating a perfect storm that's set to reshape the financial landscape. As the lines between traditional finance and emerging technologies continue to blur, it's essential to stay ahead of the curve and embrace the changes that are shaping the future of finance. But the question remains, what does this mean for you? How can you stay ahead of the curve and thrive in this evolving industry? Let's explore some of the ways that you can position yourself for success in the future of finance. First, it's essential to stay informed about the latest trends and developments in the industry. This means staying up to date with the latest news and developments in decentralized finance, AI technology, sustainable investing, and financial literacy. You can do this by reading industry publications, attending conferences, and networking with other professionals in the field. In addition to staying informed, it's also crucial to invest in your professional development. This means acquiring new skills and knowledge that will help you thrive in the future of finance. One way to do this is to pursue professional certifications in areas such as financial analysis, investment management, and risk management. These certifications can help you stand out from the competition and demonstrate your expertise to potential employers. Another way to stay ahead of the curve is to embrace lifelong learning. This means being open to new ideas and continuously seeking out opportunities to learn and grow. You can do this by taking online courses, attending webinars, and reading books on the latest trends and developments in the finance industry. Furthermore, it's essential to cultivate a growth mindset. This means being open to feedback and using it to improve your skills and knowledge. A growth mindset can help you overcome challenges and setbacks and position yourself for success in the future of finance. Finally, it's important to remember that the future of finance is not something that's happening in the distant future. It's happening right now. By staying informed, investing in your professional development, embracing lifelong learning, and cultivating a growth mindset, you can position yourself for success in the future of finance. Don't wait for the future to come to you. Shape it for yourself. Embrace the changes that are happening in the finance industry and position yourself for a successful career in this dynamic and exciting field. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video.